Welcome back, traders. This is an evening update on the current crypto market. It is not looking too good right now. The market has been selling off for the last hour or two. Alright, let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Alright, here it is. Here's Bitcoin. Okay, we did a U-turn. Literally, we did a U-turn after Trump had the announcement of the strategic reserve. It shot up and it shot back down. Look at that. Now we're even lower than before the announcement. It's not looking too good. Let's look at the daily. Let me show you guys the chart on the daily. Look at the trend line I drew right here. Came right back up to it and then came back down. We need to get past this trend line for us to be bullish. Right now it's not looking great. I mean, right now we might see a small bounce right here. We're kind of near this part right here. So little level of support right here. So we might bounce. That's on the daily. On the closer view, we might bounce. We'll have to see how it goes. There's a lot of stuff going on the rumors that it's a pump and dump. Maybe the government's holding it down so they can start buying. You never know. They may have already started the reserve and started loading up. So they got to get it down so they can buy it at a cheaper price. You know, there's a lot of stuff on X saying there's a lot of insider trading. People are buying 50x longs right before the announcements, and then they were selling it right at the top. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on right now. The market is volatile. Bitcoin and all the coins are pretty volatile. That's just their nature, okay? Look at Solana. All the charts, they all look the same right now. Up and down, up and down. Ethereum. Ethereum's at $2,000. Cardano. Right back down. Chainlink. You load up every chart, they pretty much look the same. XRP's right back down too. Okay, let's draw out some lines. I keep my charts very simple. It's still a bullish flag, but we had the big pump up, and we're back right inside the flag right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. See, right back in here. We need to get back past up here, retest the line, and then go up higher. Go back up. Let me see. We need to go here, 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 here. And then we rally up. Same with Bitcoin. I mean, right now it's not looking too good. We could be heading down to this level here. We could be heading down to around 73. That's the next level right here. See that? Next level, 73. Worst case scenario. We almost made it up yesterday. We were almost at 96. Almost. And then it did a U-turn. It did a pump and dump. Alright, let's look at the whole crypto market. 24 hours. Down 10%. Bitcoin. Ethereum. Down 15. XRP down 18. Solana down 19. So they're all very similar. They made their gains in one day and then they pumped back down. Let's look at the stock and the stock to flow. If you look at the previous couple of previous years, right here, we had a little dip, and then it came back up, and then it went a little bit higher, like in this one in 2017. See where it became orange and yellow, kind of like where we're at right now. It had a little dip, it's almost the same, and then it went higher, and then it went higher, and then it went higher. So we still might have another year going up. We could be hitting several 100,000. So we're not out of the game yet. Okay, let's take a look at some stocks. Okay, let's look at the S&P. The S&P came down right at the end of the day right here. It touched right here at the moving average, the 150-day moving average. This is the daily chart. Every candle is a day. It touched it, and then it bounced back up. Right there, you see that? Right there. It passed it a little bit, and it came back up. Here's the daily right here, the intraday. You can see it right here. Touched it, came back up. So, I mean, that's a positive sign. Let's see if Bitcoin or the crypto market affects the stock market tomorrow. We don't know yet. So we're gonna have to see. The stock futures right now are they're kind of flat, not doing too much. Okay. Let's look at another stock. Let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia is not looking too good, guys. Look at that. It ended the day at around 114. It went a little lower, down to 112.50, and it bounced up a little bit, but we're right at the breaking point, right in between the moving averages, and the next level is 110. And then it might go in between, after if it goes, it breaks 110, it can go down to about 100, and then after that, nobody knows. It could free fall. After the earnings came out, then the earnings were okay, but I mean, the price, it's been priced in over the last 2 years of the AI. If you had Nvidia over the last year, about a year and a half, year and 2 months, a couple months, you really didn't see any gains. You saw your gains, but then you lost all your gains really within the last 2 weeks. You lost all the gains. From here down to here, 10 days, 11 days. You went from 140 down to 114. I mean, all the chip sectors getting hit. Let's just scroll through a lot of these stocks real quick, see how they are. Autodesk is coming down. Maybe because of the government cutting back on a lot of the federal jobs. You know, they don't even know any buildings. I don't know. We're right at the Autodesk is right at the 200-day moving average. EA. Let's scroll through these really quick. Semiconductors, all related to like Nvidia, not doing well. Business software is not doing well. This one looks good. CCEP looks like it's going to shoot higher. Bounce out the 10-day, and it rallies up even higher. So you might see this one go like this, and then go higher. Might go that, do this. PLTR almost rallied back up, and then it went back down at the end of the day. The market was down like over 500 points today. if you're a long-term investor, I would hold off getting into any position right now. You wait for the market to settle down a little bit. All the tariff news are coming in. PayPal looks bad right now because it's down below the 300-day moving average area. This is the average right here. The color, different colors. It's below the 300-day moving average. So it can free fall down to like another couple more points before it bounces. Cisco's looking okay. Lam Research. Intel's been chopping around. Tesla almost broke through the 200-day, 150-day moving average at the top this morning. It touched it. Look at that. If I zoom in, look at that. Look at the line. It touched it. And then it dumped. So I wouldn't get into Tesla right now. You want to wait for it to consolidate a little bit, chop around right here, until you have a clear signal that it's going to go up. Because if it breaks the 200-day moving average, it's going to be heading lower down to like 258. Miners are not doing well due to Bitcoin. SoFi doesn't look well. Market works in cycles. These stocks, they pump up for a couple months and then they take a dump. You gotta have a stop loss in them. If you're not building a long-term position, I'm talking about a year or two. You buy it over time, then you gotta if you're trading this or swing trading it, you gotta take your losses. There's nothing really looking good, and there's nothing good in the market right now, guys. Look at T-Doc. Look at this stock. Back when COVID was really hot, shot up to like, let me see, $300. And now look at it. It went as low as, last year it went as low as $7. It's $9 now. People, you don't take your losses up here. You lost all your money. Okay, guys, that's about it for tonight. I'll keep you guys updated on the market tomorrow. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.